should tell my boyfriend what I've been doing. Been thinking of you every time I screw him. And if you want me, you gotta put the word in. Go tell your girlfriend that I'm your girlfriend. Originally I wouldn't do it, but I can't, my heart looking stupid. I get niggas a shot at me fluid. Initially I wouldn't do this. Hennessy pouring and shit getting fluid. We was your friends, but they came in Cuban. The tension was bitter, we had to pursue it. Tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him. What has been with us this whole time? Tell him, tell him, tell him. What if I let your girl find out?